This is Rizzo J1. I want to do an open box on a Makita. I've been wanting to get one of these for the longest. This is a Makita LXT Brushless chainsaw. And this is a combo pack, 14-inch. And what I like about this one, this is a bonus pack that has 2 additional batteries, so you get 4 in total.
That's awesome.
And yeah, I paid about $350.
Do you know what else is awesome?
What's that?
The shade of blue matches your hat.
Yeah.
So I feel like it's meant to be.
I like blue. Yeah, as you can tell, I got kind of blue watch.
The watch,
yeah,
exactly.
Yeah, so that's why I like Makita, because of the color, and you know, that's about it.
Nice.
Anyway, so
what are you planning on chopping down with this?
Well, we're gonna do a fire tonight, right? So
Jack and the Beanstalk.
yeah. So we're gonna cut some wood in the back. Hey, the little girls can help me, can they? Yeah, no, use a chainsaw? No? Okay. Well, this is a battery operated, by the way. It uses no gas. So, yeah, it just runs battery. Yeah, it's battery, so.
Diesel?
Diesel batteries.
Diesel batteries, I guess. Yeah, I think so. But, yeah, so here we go. I'm going to open it. Oh, baby, I love you. Look, I'm taking my time. So a buddy of mine from work, he said, man, you got to get you one of those Makitas because it cuts like butter.
Oh, no, I made it.
Really?
Yeah.
Why would you cut butter with a chainsaw?
I mean, in case you're camping, you can't find any like knives.
I suppose so.
You can just use a stick. I mean, use your fingers.
Oh, check it out.
It's even packaged. It's packaged like a
Like
like an Apple, like a cell phone. Yeah. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
It's very.
Yeah, check it out.
You have to assemble that bad boy. Yeah.
So this is.
So whoever's buying this, you have to, it's like doesn't come assembled.
This does not look like the DeWalt.
Yeah, you got a DeWalt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, yours is 16-inch. This is 14. I think
This one's probably made in America, where people want you to do your own stuff. It came from China, come assembled.
Yeah, probably is from China. Let me check it out.
No, that would be a DeWalt one.
DeWalt's made in China?
Yeah, I think so.
This one's made in Japan. Oh, made in China. Yeah.
Japan is China.
Is that thing heavy with the 2 batteries?
I mean, it's heavy, but it's what you could kind of expect for a chainsaw. So it
It's
uses
gonna get
2.
even heavier with the blade.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, but man, this is where you put the gasoline, dude.
Nice.
Yeah, you put the gas in there, and I guess it's
So
like
it's gas and battery?
Yeah, I guess
Yeah,
so.
there's like a hydro plant in there, like a little
It's like
little waterfall that goes over the edge.
I think this is it's a, what do you call that? Like a
Flux capacitor.
flux capacitor.
Same thing on DeLorean.
Yeah, DeLoreans have them. But check it out, dude. It looks like a jet, like something. Oh, look! In case you get in a fight, like your chainsaw stops working, you turn it back around.
That's a zombie saw.
Yeah,
I've seen that on Walking Dead. Yeah.
Damn. Well, this is it. Hope you enjoyed my review. No, I got a couple more items.
Look at that extra cardboard that comes with.
Yeah, another battery. Oh, these are like 18 volt 5.0 AH. What does that mean?
Amp hours.
Yeah, I knew that. Yeah, and they got little readings.
Ooh, that one's dead.
Yeah, just
You're not gonna do anything with that.
You could probably
Does
cut
it come with a charger?
I hope so. Yeah, since it does. This is a charger right here. No, it's fine.
No way.
What is this?
The chain.
Chain. Oh. VCR. Play movies.
Hope to see how long the batteries last.
Oh, it's a double.
Nice.
Dang. I thought it is a double.
All right, you have 30 minutes to charge it, and then we're gonna have a show off with this little blue magic Puff the Dragon against the DeWalt.
Yeah, so you're a DeWalt fan. You got a DeWalt. Maybe we'll do a little video afterwards. We'll do a contest.
We'll do a.
No, the DeWalt does not.
This table's pretty thick. Maybe we could use this table.
We could share. Yeah.
See who can solve it faster.
Like, you need to know